In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to turn off read receipts on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your messaging app. Then launch the conversation with the person where you want to disable read receipts. Now, click on the profile icon. You'll be directed to this page. Here you're gonna find different tab. Navigate to the tab info. Under this, you're gonna find the option of send read receipts. You'll need to toggle off for this option. Once this setting is disabled, the other person will no longer see the read status when you open their messages. Instead, they will only see that the message was delivered to your device. This is a great way to keep your conversations more private and reply on your own time without feeling pressured. You can also repeat these same steps for other individual conversations if you want to customize read receipts for specific people. And that's how you can turn off read receipts on iMessage using your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.